Today in this video, we're going to be making Sesame Grand Crescent dogs in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here some Grand Crescents, and let's open it up. There's a label right here that says start here. So we're just going to open it up. There's an arrow pointing at this line, and what you do is just push on it with your finger, and it should pop open. Like that. Let's take it out. For today in this video, we'll be making 3, because that's all we can fit in the air fryer. There you go, that should be 3. And keep the rest for another day. Okay, so the first thing what we're gonna do is just smudge in the 2 pieces, prevent it from so that there's no holes. Just smudge it in and make sure that there's no holes. There you go, see, sealed up. Make sure both sides are sealed. Just that easy. Okay, everything is nicely sealed up, and now let's add some sesame seeds. Just sprinkle it on. Take a roller and just roll across it. There we go. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing again. Put some of the sesame seeds on the other side too. And then just roll across again. There we go. We have sesame seeds on both sides, as you can see. We have here around 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. There you go. Put it in. Make sure it's blended in with the melted butter. Okay, looking good. And we're just going to add just a little bit of the garlic butter onto the dough. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to add the cheese. We have here American cheese. And we're just going to take 1 slice for each hot dog. Split it in half. Put it in the center. We're going to put it in the center again. Then we're going to take some hot dogs. You can use any kind of hot dogs you like. For this video, we're using Angus beef hot dogs. Oscar Mayer. Take the hot dogs, put them in the center. And that's it. Now we're just going to roll it up. There you go. Make sure it's nicely sealed up, smudge it in, smudge the edges in, and then we're just going to take the corners and pull it up. Pull it up here. We're just going to pull it up as much as we can. There we go. It should look something like this. And then stretch it if you need to. Roll it up. And then close it up. Just like that. Like I said, this part is the thicker part, so that'll be touching the base of the basket of the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. let's put it in. So first thing what we're gonna do is spray some olive oil. And let's put these in. Okay, make sure the thicker part of the dough is facing the basket. Now let's put it in. We're going for 300 degrees for 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take them out. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking great. Okay, let's take them out. There you go, that's one. The last thing what we're gonna do is take some of the garlic butter that we have left over and just apply it. Okay, this is what we have today, Sesame Crescent dogs made in the air fryer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's open one up. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.